in Bangkok. And this is our city view from our hotel room. We came here yesterday with a little bit of jet lag and we just walked around. We went to Lumpini Park, we went to Terminal 21, had some lunch slash dinner there. We didn't know it was our dinner yet because we fell asleep at like 8 o'clock in the evening. Then we woke up at 12 o'clock in the night because jet lagged. But now we woke up at 7:45 and we're going to breakfast here. And we're staying at Banyan Tree. It's a very nice hotel room. I'd show you, but it's a little bit of a mess right now. So I will show you this afternoon when the housekeeper was here. And yeah, we're now going for breakfast. And it's our plan to go to Ayutthaya Historical Park. Ayutthaya Historical Park. We don't know how it's called, but it's a historical park above Bangkok. And we're very excited about that. And now we're going to breakfast because I'm really hungry and I can't wait. We're currently at Ayutthaya. And this is one of the temples with the sleeping Buddha. But I'm not sure what the name is in Thai. It's so hot. Can't handle. We just walked very many stairs. Okay, bye now. Taking the taxi to another stop within Ayutthaya because it's so big here. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock and we're going for breakfast, and after that we're having a Thai cooking class here in Bangkok, and it was his birthday present from me. And that's what we're gonna do. So we're now going to breakfast.
Like ginger but not ginger. Do you remember? Ginger but not ginger. Ginger but not ginger, right? Coriander root.
Yeah.
Cilantro root. Kaffir lime skin.
Yeah.
The bumpy one. Remember, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Pepper. Very mild. Chilies. And a little oil. But these two not so spicy.
Okay, so we're back in our hotel and we did the cooking class this morning, and we first went to see a local market and we picked our ingredients there, and she told us all about the ingredients that were on that market, also ingredients that we didn't use, but it was very informative and it was very fun. And after that we went to her cooking class house station, I don't know how to call it, and we made 3 dishes, and we also had some sticky mango sticky rice with it, but first we made the 3 dishes and afterwards we ate them, and they were delicious, and it was such a fun cooking class. I really recommend it. It's called Mali 1 cooking class. We were almost too late because it started at 9 and they waited until 9:10. And we were there exactly at 9:10, so we were very lucky. And they told us that our taxi ride would be like a 45-minute drive, even like an hour because of bad traffic. But our taxi did it in 20 minutes because the staff of this hotel said to the taxi driver that they really had to hurry because we were in such a rush and we had to be there in time. So that was great, and we were there in time, and it was such a nice experience. And after we came to the hotel, we went to the 7-Eleven. It's the supermarket here in Thailand, and we got some Coca-Cola, and then we went for a swim. And yeah, it's all very nice. And now we're heading towards Koh Sam Road for some evening dinner and entertainment, I think, because Koh Sam Road is like the main road of Thailand. This is where Bangkok's all about. This is where all the backpackers go to in Bangkok. So I'm really curious to what that has to offer, and yeah, we'll see. So we're now heading towards Koh Sam Road. Oh, and I will quickly just show you our room in Banyan Tree Hotel. This is the bed. It's like 2 meters wide. It's enormous. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but and then this little bar area right here. The couch with full of our stuff. And I will show you the view real quick. We have like a city view. It's very nice. And we also have a pool view. This is our pool. We laid there this afternoon. A little desk. My suitcase. And the bathroom. With a nice bath. With a view on the city. So that's very nice. Toilet. And shower. And that's it. And we're now going to Gosan Road. Good morning, we just had breakfast and today we're going to all the temples and the royal palace. Not all the temples, but like the most famous temples in Bangkok, because we're going to the Wat Po, the Wat Arun and the Grand Palace, of course. And that's really our plan, and I'm taking my GoPro with me to film some really cool shots, and I'm leaving this Canon in the hotel and I'm just taking my phone with me because I came to the realization that you can also film perfectly fine with your mobile phone, and of course I have my GoPro, so that will be very cool. And yeah, that's our plan today. I'm not sure if we have any other plans. Maybe we are going to the most famous sticky rice with mango stand, but I'm not sure what Thomas thinks about that. Hi Thomas. Are you hiding? Okay, but yeah, we're leaving now and bye. We're going to the Vertigo Moon Bar
Yes.
at Banyan Tree Hotel. And we're dressed up casual, smart casual. Very nice. I'm curious though, because they say the cocktails are very expensive. Yay. Let's see what it has to offer. Okay, so that is the Moon Bar right there, but it's so crowded right now. And we're lucky we're hotel guests here, but because we're now sitting at the restaurant area. And normally you cannot drink a cocktail here. You also have to order some food, but we are guests at the hotel. So we are currently ordering a cocktail. So that's great. And he fixed it all. Thumbs up. Okay, I got a Dragon Ball, you got a...
White kimono.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tasty.